Hi, so this is a quick screencast for my software testing project for Ryan Higgins. The first page is the table of contents. It's just the what we got layout of the project. So they're all in red. The headings I used. The next page is the introduction, just which goes through the game. It's broken into different sections. The basically what we're testing and just breakdown of how the game works and stuff. The menus, the in-game menus, and all that. And the next heading is the objectives and tasks. It just gives a list of objectives we want to achieve and the tasks that are going to be in the game. The next is the scope. So it's just the general scope of the project and the tactics we're going to use to try and achieve this. The next section is the testing strategies. It's the definitions of, say, for example, the methodologies like unit testing, and it's the participants who's going to partake in it. Like all teams will be partaking, most of them, in and then there's the methodologies as well. So that's all that for that one anyway. And the next is the test schedule. This is to break down the week to week what's going to happen for the project so it runs smoothly. And like for example, it's going to be a meeting every week, every Monday at 12. The next one is the control procedures. Just reporting problems and the change requests. And then after that, it's the features that are going to be tested, which is going to be all the features in this project, and the features which aren't going to be tested, which is nothing, because I think for the app we're going to test as much as we can. And the resources, roles, and responsibility is the roles in the project. Like for the team leaders, you're going to assign most of the roles. And after that, there's the schedules, which is the documents deliverable, and the risk assumption, and the risks, which the risk in the project, which I don't think there are many risks to do with this. And the tools we used are Selenium, Bugzilla, and Microsoft Teams. That's it. Thank you.